Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites, a JDK 11 or later, and the Javafx SDK that matches that JDK. Once done, download and extract the Javafx SDK, then open Eclipse. Create a new Java project and immediately set the project's Java compliance level to match your JDK. You do this so module and class path behavior align. Next, create a SRC folder and a simple main class. This gives you a place to attach Javafx libraries in the next steps. Now link the Javafx SDK to the project. Right-click the project, choose Build Path, Configure Build Path, and add the Javafx lib JARs to module path if your project uses modules or class path for non-modular projects. Then open Run Configurations and set VM arguments. Module path C, /path / to /Javafx SDK /lib add modules Javafx. Controls Javafx. FXML. If you use module info, Java, add explicit. Finish by running your main class. If it fails, read the error. Missing module or no class def found error means class path or module path is wrong. Make sure the VM arguments point to the exact Javafx SDK lib folder, then clean and restart Eclipse to clear cached build state. Also verify that your JDK version matches the Javafx SDK version. Mismatches cause subtle runtime failures. If you still see errors, switch between module path and class path, depending on whether you have module info, and try launching again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.